Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, the 3rd of April 2026. It's actually an international holiday in most regions. Uh, this Good Friday, happy Good Friday to you all. But apparently, the New York Forex session will technically be open on Good Friday, but it will operate with extremely low liquidity and significantly reduced activity. This is why. One, the stock market's closure. Both the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq are completely closed all day. Two, the bond markets closed as well. Three, there's reduced liquidity since major financial hubs, including the UK, Germany, Canada, and Austria, they observe Good Friday as a public holiday. Therefore, institutional participation is very minimal. My advice for today would be stay out of the market, enjoy your Good Friday. Yeah, don't lose all your weekly gains for the week because of grade. So real quick, let's look at what we had yesterday. This is what we were looking at yesterday. We were looking for buys above this level, which we never got. We never got a buy. We never got a candle closing above this level. Remember, our confirmation is a candle closure above our level. So we never got a candle closing above this level. So we had no buys yesterday. For the sales, we are looking for potential sales below this level here, below this week here. So you remember, as we were doing this analysis, this candle had closed below this level here. And you remember what I said? I'll put a sell limit here. My stop loss just above here, as you can see. This is my stop loss here. Sell limit here. Take profit 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So my sell limit was activated. The market pushed down. We came into the New York session. New York session opened with this candle here at 3 p.m. You can see this candle here at 3 p.m. Yeah, the New York session opened at 3 p.m. with this candle. Market moved down. This was at 3:30, and there was news. The news we talked about, the unemployment claims, came out at 3:30, which are good for the dollar. So that was a sell for the dollar. Immediately I saw this, I decided if the market decides to move up, I'd rather trail my stop loss here, get a break even, or leave the market with something small. And true to the word, you'll see what happened here. Let's move to M15. The market opened, New York session opened here at 3 p.m, pushed up at 3:15, at 3:30. This is the 3:15 candle. At 3:30 p.m, the unemployment claim, then there was a high impact news on unemployment claims. It was good for the dollar, so we pushed the market down. You see, we broke structure here. Immediately this structure was broken here, I trailed my stop loss into profit here. I said if the market decides to move up, I'm out. And this is where I got out. Little profit, no loss. You see, if I had not moved my stop loss here, I would have left the market with a loss. You see, my stop loss was hit at 5:30 p.m. Yeah. So by and large, that's what we had yesterday. So for today, let's look at what we have today. Yes, this is what I was talking about. Trump tells. This was about. This is what caused the market to spike down on Thursday morning. Yeah, this is what caused this move here. This move down here on Thursday morning. This move here was caused by this. That's why it's very important before you start trading your trading day. Look at what you have on the news. Look for high impact news. This was Thursday, so today is Friday. Friday, what do you expect? Bank holiday, Euro bank holiday, GBP bank holiday, Canada bank holiday. This is a Swiss franc bank holiday. So when you count the USD, the New York Forex session will technically be open today. That's why we have the news coming out at 3:30 p.m. This is the average hourly earnings month to month. The non-farm employment change, then this is what we call the NFP, and the unemployment rate. These three news, they are high impact news. Normally I trade the NFP, but for today, given the conditions we have, given that it's a bank holiday, there's reduced liquidity in the market. I'm staying out. I'm staying out of the market today. This is because most retail brokers will remain open for the spot forex trading, but because many international banks are closed, you may encounter wider spreads, erratic price movements. So I'd rather not risk my capital today. But this volatility, it will be felt. You'll feel this volatility. Whatever the news gives us today, this will be felt when the market opens on Monday. You can be assured of that. This impact will be felt. Most of it will be felt when the market opens on Monday morning. So that's what we have on the news today. This is what Trump said. US President Donald Trump told the nation in a televised speech on Wednesday night that the US military had nearly completed the goals it had set out to accomplish in its war with Iran, and the conflict would soon be ending. The moment he said the conflict would soon be ending, signaling de escalation, this is what happened. This is what de escalation does to gold. De escalation in the war is what it does. Then we came here again at 8:30, did that. So yeah, that's it for the news today. So today, if you've made profit throughout the week, just stay out of the market. But for whoever wants to trade, let me do a quick top-down analysis for you. We are going to clear everything there. We'll start again from the monthly. 1 month. 1 month. Horizontal array. Here we have it. Where is it? Our monthly resistance is still there. Our monthly support, remember what we said, the market moved up, pushed down, broke structure up. So the lowest it went here, that's our support. Weekly, we go down to weekly. Weekly, we have this. Weekly, this is still our resistance here on weekly. Our support. Our weekly support still there. go down to daily. Daily broke up the structure. Our support is still here on the daily. Our resistance still there. Four hours. Let's look at what you have on 4 hours. 4 hours our support still here. Wait, what time was this? Yeah, 4 hours is still our support here. Our resistance, we still have it there. That's our resistance there. We go down to 1 hour. 1 hour, this is what we have here. 1 hour support. See, this is our break of structure here. So 1 hour support is here. Our 1 hour resistance. Yeah. Go down to 30 minutes. Same. Wait, let me go back a bit. 1 hour. Let's use the weeks. We go down to 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, this is what basically we have. What we have here. Wait. Yeah. We have this support here. Yeah. There's a support there on 30 minutes. So this is what I would do. I would move that there. If I were to trade today, this is what I would do. Wait. This is where I would want to pick buys from. Potential buys. That would be potential buys there. For the aggressive sells, I would pick aggressive sells from here. This is where you don't wait for a candle closure. Just set a limit, a sell stop here. Boom, market activates it. Get your profit or get your loss. So this is what I would do here. That would be my aggressive sell. aggressive sales. Now for the safe sales, it will be here. Potential sales here. Remember, this is not advice to trade. Risk manage your trades well. Sometimes even not trading is also trading because you protect your capital. So that's what I'd be looking for. Aggressive sales here, push it here, take profit one. This would be take profit one for the aggressive sales. Take profit two here. Take profit three. Take profit four. Let's use the wicks here. This would be our take profit four. This take profit one for aggressive sales, but for safe sales is our take profit one, take profit two, take profit three. Let me not label them, they'll confuse you today. Yeah, let me not label today. Market conditions are, I don't want to confuse you. I'm not advising you to trade today, but whoever has the risk appetite for today, go for it. So there. For the buys, this would be a take profit one here. Potential buys. The buys look good. But there's this one here. Yeah, the buys look good. Sells. So for the NFP, yeah, here's my thought. This is my dot. If we have good numbers for the dollar, the NFP could do this. If we get bad numbers for the dollar, this is what I expect. Always remember, trade what you see, not what you think. Yeah, that's what I would be looking at today if I were to trade. But given the market conditions today, please stay out. Please stay out. I don't want you to lose your capital. See you guys. We'll recap this.